What it do, YouTube? It's your boy HunterProfits, aka Q. And I'm coming with a video doing the funding talent challenge. I did the 25K challenge. Wanted to try them out instead of like FTMO and shit. I'm not a really good trader, but I'm profitable for real, for real. But I'm gonna go over some trades that I took over the week. I made 2,000 in a day profit. So yeah, let's just jump right into this shit. Okay, so yeah, this is my funding talent account. Yeah, I started with 25,000. Yeah, so looking at this 25, I got 3 bands, made 3 bands throughout this week. I'm gonna probably go over the trade. I'm at a 60% win rate. I'm trying, but I'm 12.1% up on the account as of today, which is Friday. I made 2,000, I think it was Wednesday, and I'm gonna go over that trade. I took 2 trades on gold and US 30. And today I took a trade on US 30. Quick little 900, but we up 12% on the account. You can see 68 lots total, up 12% on the account. But yeah, these just the stats for the account as of right now. We'll see how next week give us. Hopefully it give us a couple of plays. I only try to trade when I do see like a setup, so it helps with like risk management, me over trading. But shit, I'm human, I still fucking over trade. I still be trying to just be greedy. I mean, I just gotta tame that, but you know, it's all psychology. And once you trade a little bit more, get familiar with stuff, you'll be alright. But I ain't no expert. Let's go ahead and get into the charts so I can show you the 2 trades that I did take to make that 2,000. All right, let's get right into this chart work. All right, so yeah, I took the trade around the 7th, so which is around this area. Look down at the 5-minute because I did want to get a quick scout. I am kind of like, I don't know what type of trade I am. I fucking will hold a trade or fucking scalp some shit quick. But this trade I took, when I seen a little setup, was a little quick scout. So how I got into the trade was I seen kind of this M formation to the buy side. So around here, I don't know if you see it, but I see an M right here. Kind of looked on the 15-minute to kind of see it a little better. So around this area right here was an M, and then it bought up. I see that it was a beautiful 15-minute engulfing. So me, I just waited to see what price was doing around a 5-minute. Show you. All right, so yeah, you see the M right here, then it bought up. So yeah, around the 5-minute, I just seen price break this structure and close above this structure, but it kind of came back down. But I kept seeing these wicks getting rejected, so I'm thinking, okay, it is going to definitely push up. So yeah, looking at these wicks, I just waited for price, just watching price, and wicks was down. I could have got an entry down here on this candle, but I hesitated and I didn't even take that shit for real, for real. I don't know, that was psychology or something on me, but I be trying to load a lot. So after I didn't take that confirmation over here on this damn inverted hammer, it engulfed. I seen that engulf, so I'm like, okay, I know price is definitely going to give me like another signal for me to get in the trade. So I just waited, I just watched price, end of London, well, Asian session, kind of the beginning of London session. I seen that they threw that stop hunt. After I seen that fucking stop hunt, I loaded the fucking lots. And yeah, from there I just took the trade. I got in around like, I think 1802. I got in around, yeah, 1802.17 I got in, 1802.96 almost, yeah, 96. probably somewhere up here, but I just stacked the entry. My lowest entry was like right here when this candle closed. Was in a little bit of drawdown. Had my stop loss, yeah. About what? 12 pip stop loss. Had it under that wick. So once I seen it already closed up, I knew that price was gonna continue up a little bit. So which it did. After I took that, stacked them entries, I stacked it all the way up to the top. I think I closed once I seen this red candle rejecting. But it was just a simple little quick trade. I got in because of the M was one confirmation. It engulfed previous structure right here. Then I seen these wicks coming down. Impulse move up through that stop hunt. Get everybody out. That's when I got in and just rolled that motherfucker up a little bit. And that is, yeah, I got that little quick scalp on gold. And that was like for a band in that day. And later on, I took a US 30 trade, which I'm about to show y'all now. Yeah, 30 trade. So I was just looking at price, how price was moving on the 5 minute. This was another scalp. I did see in between London and New York session opening, strong impulse move to the upside. But then as far as like later down the line or later on when New York session was opening, damn, I can't even fucking talk. But when New York session was opening, it went ahead and gave a full bearish candle, kind of like a, what you call it, railroad, train tracks, something like that, the type of candlestick pattern. But me just looking at that strong bearish candle, engulfing candle, and then I seen that the market makers had this real like long ass wick liquidity. They had liquidity up there and then it dropped again. I went ahead and went down to the 1 minute just to see how price was fucking moving. And yeah, and this was like 1 minute structure right here. I just waited, just watching, seen it break again, came up to retest, but I didn't get in. I waited for it to engulf again. And then I got in around, I think, this candle that wicked up on a 1 minute. My entry was at 3406 or 34603. Yeah, so yeah, I didn't get in over here. This drop, I was gonna get in, but I was hesitant, for real, because you know US 30, that shit pump out fucking pips. So me, I just waited for a little bit more confirmation. I seen that it broke this structure, 1 minute structure again, came up, kind of retest, and then I think I got in on one of these candles over here. But my entry was at 34603. This is close enough. And then I caught it all the way down to 34. Shit, right here, 34.92. End of this fucking candle right here. I was so scared. I should have held it a little longer, but I was scared to hold it for some reason. After that, I just got out. Once I seen this, got my money and got the fuck out the market. But I did put in another entry. I was gonna stack it, but I didn't even stack. Well, I did put in another entry. I was about to stack it, but it was negative, so I just closed that shit out with $12. But I'll go ahead and put a screenshot up now so y'all can see the profit. I know this is kind of like a little random, I'm off topic kind of type shit video, but I just wanted to show y'all that shit. Trades I took, and I did make $3,000 for the week. As far as funding talent, I kind of do like them. You know, they got that 90-10 split depending on what type of accounts you do have. I did start off with the challenge account, but I fucking failed that by the damn drawdown parameter they had. So I went ahead and did the flex aggressive challenge for 25,000. I like that more, but the only thing I don't fucking like is when you make profit, you get 20% of that profit to put in an elite account. But I'm almost at 4,000 so that I can get my elite account with that. But yeah, for the week on my $25,000 account, I made 3,000 just in this week, 2,000 in one day, and then I made like 912 today, which is Friday today. But yeah, that was majority of the trades I did take. I try not to trade too much, but you know, sometimes you get a little greedy and you want that money, but I'm working on all that shit though. But if you did like the video, I know this was kind of random and I was every fucking where with it, but I'm real solid with this shit. Yeah, and if you like the video, go ahead, give us a thumbs up, a like. I'll come out with more fucking videos just going over shit. Yeah, I know everybody like that Forex shit. We trying to get rich and wealthy, but you know, you gotta learn a little bit, and that's what I'm doing. This YouTube channel probably just be like a little learning experience, like throughout my journey. It's when I get to the top. But you already know what it is. It's your boy Hunter Profit, and we out.